Assalamualaikum YouTube fam, my name is Bilal. Today topic of my video is car accident. Lie. First we open oh, First we open a website low cost lies get help from Auto Accident Express. Today 30 years of experience, we help to seek funds to cover medical bills and repairs. Quick action as is vital, call right now for your free consultation. How long has it been? Accident evidence, first name, last name, email, phone number. How can we help? Check you robot and humans. Put an affordable attorneys on your case. Today let us gather evidence, interview witness, investigate for you. Most personal injury lawyers charge on 40% contingency fee for their services, but that does not leave with you money you need to recover quickly. At low cost lawyers, we privilege enough to only need to charge 30%, giving you more breathing room to pay medical bills, repair bills, and rehabilitation to streets. Pay bills, medical bills, repair bills, and rehabilitation. Speed is essential. Phone number and until valuable security camera footage is lost forever. Choose the automobile accident lies at low cost lawyer today. How we seek justice: auto collisions, securing evidence, visiting the scene of the collisions, finding potential witness, reviewing medical documents. First, first securing evidence, we will immediately start pursuing dashes, cams nearby, and survivals, videos, car computer data, and more makes your case stronger. We know that vital inspect the scene of the crash ASAP by physical evidence can confirm or contradict important details. Between the accident report and your documented injuries, we may find that we need to make a compelling case of the justice, finding a potential witness. It is always seems like a long shot until we find that one person who confirms your story's witness are valuable. But an auto accident injury lawyer on your cases start now. We are ready to get start to 24/7 365 speed in essentials. Experience, personal injury, attorneys serving and Belgium, all these South Asian us America highways are dangerous enough. You should have to suffer from another driver compulsive texting habit behind the wheel. When distracted, impaired, or careless driver put you in hospital and in your car. You need options so that you are not stop putting the medical bills. At the low cost lawyers, we offer some of the most affordable rates among leading legal professional. Technical technological advancement allows to us to reduce fee 30% opposed to the typical 40% or more. Don't let negligent drivers blind you our finance. Call us today and put on our powerful investigate team on your case. Contact us. Why choose a low cost lawyer? Finding the right personal injury lawyer for your case can be tricky, especially as you recover from injuries and cope with the bills. Add with low cost lawyer with take time tested approach to every case of the living. Our defense is often 30 years of legal experience, 100 cases of settled or tired, low attorney's fee 30% rather than 40%, typical bill navigation with health care providers, detective investigating, caring and knowledgeable legal professional, deep industry and experience for maximum result. Accident attorneys, life hacks, understanding your rights and seek justice. What should I do after an auto accident and Islam India? Fault state solved, call police after